Welcome back to Quizzical Minds.
Which fruit is commonly used for smoothies due to its creamy texture? A. Mango. B. Kiwi. C. Papaya. D. Avocado. Answer D. Avocado. Which fruit is known for its high vitamin C? A. Orange. B. Banana. C. Apple. D. Mango. Answer A. Lake Superior. Which fruit has the highest amount of protein? A. Mango. B. Banana. C. Coconut. D. Papaya. Answer C. Coconut. Which fruit helps in preventing anemia? A. Pomegranate. B. Banana. C. Apple. D. Orange. Answer A. Pomegranate. Which fruit contains the highest amount of pectin? A. Orange. B. Apple. C. Grapes. D. Papaya. Answer B. Apple. Which fruit has the highest amount of antioxidants? A. Strawberry. B. Grapes. C. Pineapple. D. Watermelon. Answer A. Strawberry. Which fruit contains the highest amount of minerals? A. Banana. B. Papaya. C. Pineapple. D. Watermelon. Answer B. Papaya. Which fruit has tiny black seeds and is green on the inside? A. Kiwi. B. Mango. C. Pineapple. D. Papaya. Answer A. Kiwi. Which fruit is beneficial for the heart? A. Grapes. B. Pomegranate. C. Orange. D. Mango. Answer B. Pomegranate. Which fruit helps in getting deep sleep? A. Banana. B. Orange. C. Pomegranate. D. Papaya. Answer A. Banana. Which fruit contains the highest amount of zinc? A. Banana. B. Pomegranate. C. Strawberry. D. Apple. Answer B. Pomegranate. Which fruit has the highest amount of vitamin? A. Papaya. B. Mango. C. Grapes. D. Banana. Answer A. Papaya. Which fruit contains the highest natural sugar? A. Mango. B. Banana. C. Watermelon. D. Pomegranate. Answer B. Banana. Which fruit is beneficial for strengthening bones? A. Pomegranate. B. Banana. C. Orange. D. Grapes. Answer C. Orange. Which fruit has the highest amount of carbohydrates? A. Banana. B. Watermelon. C. Mango. D. Pomegranate. Answer A. Banana. Which fruit is the best source of vitamin C? A. Amla. B. Papaya. C. Pineapple. D. Orange. Answer A. Amla. Which fruit is beneficial for the skin? A. Pomegranate. B. Strawberry. C. Apple. D. Papaya. Answer A. Pomegranate. Which fruit contains the highest amount of folic acid? A. Banana. B. Strawberry. C. Pomegranate. D. Orange. Answer D. Orange. Which fruit helps in reducing fatigue? A. Grapes. B. Papaya. C. Watermelon. D. Mango. Answer A. Grapes. Which fruit contains the highest amount of water? A. Grapes. B. Apple. C. Watermelon. D. Banana. Answer C. Watermelon. Which fruit has the highest amount of iron? A. Apple. B. Papaya. C. Pomegranate. D. Grapes. Answer C. Pomegranate. Which fruit contains the highest amount of natural antibiotic properties? A. Papaya. B. Apple. C. Mango. D. Grapes. Answer A. Papaya. Which fruit helps in reducing stomach issues? A. Banana. B. Pineapple. C. Grapes. D. Papaya. Answer D. Papaya. Which fruit is the best source of vitamin A? A. Banana. B. Pineapple. C. Mango. D. Pomegranate. Answer C. Mango. Which fruit is the best source of vitamin A? A. Banana. B. Pineapple. C. Mango. D. Pomegranate. Answer C. Mango.